Good morning, madam.
Good morning. We'll start in 5 minutes. Okay, wait for 5 minutes.
Okay, madam.
So, can we start?
Okay, madam.
So, you said sir wanted to speak.
Uh, he's busy with some discussion. I'll call him later. Madam.
Okay. So, good morning to all of you. As I discussed with you in the last to last, session, that we will have the assignment submission today. Assignment means whatever project I have given to you about chatbots and all. So we will go for a presentation because I'm out of Bangalore now today, and I'm just logging in through my phone. So we will not be conducting session. We will be doing only the presentation and your understanding about that particular project. Okay. So which particular team is going to go first? Please write in the chat box. Okay. Yes. Bhavani from Vaishali Computer is ready. You can share the screen and go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to share my screen now. Can you see, ma'am?
Yes, we can see the screen.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'll show. Good morning, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Bhavani from Vaishali Computers, Ballari.
Okay.
Now I'm going to show the what I created. I'll show, ma'am. Next, how to create the chatbot. I'm going to show, ma'am. First,
Okay.
I'll show the how I create what I created, ma'am.
Okay. Have you using the Amazon Lex or have you using the Python?
Using
Amazon Lex.
Amazon Lex, ma'am.
Okay.
Amazon Lex, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
I have created the hotel room, ma'am. Hotel booking, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm going to type like hi. It's going to show the hello, how can I help you? And going to ask, please provide your name. I'm going to enter my name, Bhavani. It's going to show like Bhavani, provide your email address. I'm going to enter my email address. And it's going to tell and it's going to show like which city you will be staying in. I'm going to enter Mumbai.
Okay.
Because of spelling mistake, it's going to ask again and again. And what day you want to check in. I'm going to enter the date, ma'am. 10/6/2023. Please provide your phone number. It's going to ask, ma'am. I'm going to enter the phone number. And how many days you are going to stay? It's going to ask. 3 nights I'm entering, ma'am. And it's going to display like, okay, I have you down for 3 nights stay in Mumbai starting 10/6 to 2023. I'm booking the reservation. It's going to ask, ma'am. Yes, I'm going to enter, ma'am. Bhavani, your request was completed successfully, thank you. It's going to tell, ma'am. This is I have created, ma'am.
Okay.
And now I'm going to show that how I created, ma'am.
But is it just a kind of a chat box? But it is, you didn't add any voice to it.
No, ma'am. Have created
Okay.
only for text, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
And I'm going to open AWS website, ma'am. In that, I'm going to go for services. In this, I'm going to select machine learning. And after clicking on machine learning, it's going to display the some things, ma'am. In that, I'm going to click on Amazon Lex.
Okay.
Then it will display one page.
Hmm.
In that, I'm going to, because I'm going to create the page, I mean creating bot. So I'm going to click on create bot. In that, I'm going to writing on
Hmm.
booking the hotel.
Hmm.
I'm taking
Name of the bot.
yes, ma'am. Name of the bot is booking hotel.
Hmm.
And you can also give the description also. It is optional, ma'am. And again,
Okay.
here I'm taking, I'm permission. Here I'm selecting create a role with basic Amazon Lex permission. I'm clicking
Hmm.
on this. And for children, I'm taking children online privacy protection act. Clicking on no.
Hmm.
And after this idle section timeout, I'm leaving the same, ma'am. And here I'm going to click on next. And next we will get one page, ma'am. In this, I'm selecting the, this is only test based application, ma'am. I'm selecting this, ma'am.
Okay.
And after completion of that, I'm going to click on done. After this, we will get one page, ma'am. Here intent details, I'm taking hotel room. Here we can see the, after clicking that, you will get the successful created bot, ma'am. Hotel. And here I'm taking intent details like hotel booking.
Okay.
Sorry, booking hotel. And here I am adding the hi in the sample users, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. And I'm going to add it. And next, hello. And I'm going to come down. And here I'm going to add the slots, ma'am. Here one we are having one add slot. Here I'm going to add the slot, ma'am. Here I'm taking a first name, ma'am, and here I'm writing like a name. In this, I'm going to prompts like please provide a name. I'm going to type please provide a name, your name. And I'm going to add it, ma'am.
Okay.
Next, one more I'm going to add. Here, I'm going to add the city, ma'am. In city, prompt like which city you want to stay. You want to stay. I'm going to add this also. And if we need any here only few slots are there, ma'am, like a city, country, date, duration, email, number, phone number, like this only few, ma'am. If we want to add one more slide which is not displayed in this, if we want to add, we need to go for back to insert list. Sorry, ma'am. After saving intent only it will take, ma'am. So I'm going to save this intent, and next I'll go back to intent. In this we need to select like slot type. In this we need to add slot type, and I'm clicking add blank slot type, ma'am. And here I'm writing like what I'm phone number, ma'am, or phone number, ma'am. If we are need to add, I'm going to add it, ma'am. For this, I'm going to provide a value like 1, ma'am. If you are adding this only, going to take the value, that phone number, ma'am. That is required, ma'am. And I'm going to back to by clicking slot type 1. This also we need to save, ma'am. Otherwise, it will not go back. After saving, I'm going for slot type. Here I'm clicking phone number. Sorry. We need to go for intents. In that, we need to click book in hotel. In hotel, we need to come down. Here, add slot. It's going to display, ma'am. what we are added, no ma'am. That one is going to display, ma'am. Phone number. Number. Please provide your number. Your phone. It's going to add, ma'am. Then for confirmation, I'm clicking like can I go ahead with your confirmation? Confirmation. If it is if we are clicking S, it going directly, ma'am. Like it will show like your request was completed. Your request was successfully completed. And for closing response, I'm going to give thanks, ma'am. And if we say no, it going to ask for decline response. If we are saying yes, it will take like yes, your request was completed. But if we say no, okay, your request will be not complete, not submitted. Okay, your request was not submitted. Submitted. After that, we need to save the intent, ma'am. Version of this. After doing all this process, we need to build it, ma'am.
Okay.
It will take time, ma'am, to build. It has shows like successfully built, ma'am. Booking
Okay.
hotel. Here we can test, ma'am. After building only we have we are testing, ma'am. I'm clicking hi. It's going to display like please provide your name. Writing my name, entering, and it's going to ask which city you want to stay. Mumbai. Here I'm entering name mistake, ma'am. So it's going to ask once again, ma'am. And it's going to ask please provide your name. Number. I've entered number. Because of number wrong, it's going to tell again and again. No, ma'am. Actually, what I did the mistake, I'm going to show, ma'am.
Okay.
Here in slot type, for phone number, have entered like this, ma'am, number, but we need to enter the number, ma'am. I'm entering some number, ma'am. For this, I'm going to add it. And after that, I'm going to save the slot. And I'm going back for intent. I'm clicking on booking hotel. Again, we need to build, ma'am. Otherwise, it will not take. It has show successfully built. Again, we can test here. I'm entering hi. Please provide your name. Bhavani. Which city I'm going to ask my Mumbai. Phone number.
I think your screen is stuck. It is still in the last page of building.
Last one.
You have to publish. Have you published it?
No, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Because it's not showing the work.
1 minute, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can see the screen.
Now, can you see, ma'am?
Yeah, I see the same screen. But how you said that it is working, that screen is not showing.
Can you see the chatbot? Chatbot, ma'am? I'm entering.
Yeah, chatbot is shown, no? Here, booking hotel on the left-hand side panel.
Yes, ma'am.
Please testing the bot, ma'am. We can see.
Ah, yeah, testing of the board, I can't see. Where is that page?
We can see that, ma'am.
Yeah. Sorry. Because I'm in a mobile, no? I didn't shift. It is on right-hand side. Yeah, two.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Because before I have entered wrong phone number, ma'am, so it has not taken. After going slot again, I have entered the number and I'm going to checking this, so it have confirmed, ma'am. After entering my mobile number, can I go ahead with your confirmation? I'm clicking yes, ma'am.
Okay.
As your request was successfully completed, thanks. It's going to show, ma'am. This is how I created the chatbot, ma'am.
Okay, very
Thank
nice.
you, ma'am.
Thank you. So, these chatbot, you are, suppose my question to you is, if you want to integrate this particular chatbot as a, publish this in some site. So, how do you integrate that?
Sorry, ma'am. I didn't get the question. No. Once
My
again.
question is now, you have just tested the bot, right?
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
not yet published it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, when you publish, what happens?
It's going to display for everyone, ma'am. Everyone can see.
So you created this bot for, let's say, a booking hotel, some site, let's say Make My Trip or some company.
Yes, ma'am.
And how do you make sure that this particular bot get integrated to that site? So when somebody come to that site to book hotel, that time this chat bot should get activated.
Yes, ma'am. For that, we need to publish, ma'am.
And in publishing, do you know what you have to do to integrate that particular thing into a particular site?
No, ma'am,
Or
but
maybe
I'll go forward, ma'am.
or to make it as an app or integrate it into some services.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no issues. Nicely
Okay.
done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Next team. I think one more team. KTC Hubli. Okay, when you are ready, you please start. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. This is the UP KTC team, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, you can go ahead.
So good morning all. So regarding this chatbot, we'll start with basic understanding of the chatbot. We'll go into some practical and then
Can you introduce yourself first before you begin? And can you tell me that what platform have you used? Did you use Amazon Lex or did you use Python? What it is? And then start.
Ma'am, this is the here. In our team, currently we are having myself, Sandhya, Shekhar, and Gaurav are there. So this one prepared in the guidance of Tiger Villages.
Okay.
The theme of our presentation is to build a chatbot using Python code, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so Python code is there. So we have planned out the presentation like this. First a bit of practical and then theory of it and more of the practical regarding building the chatbot. So what on the screen is a simple Python program to run a chatbot. Here what we can see is a Python code wherein for example, let us know what's a chatbot. A chatbot is a human-like conversation wherein in a simple chatbot what happens, we are anticipating what questions user is going to ask. So we'll make a list of those questions and what should be the answer to those questions. We'll make a list of those answers also. So those questions, user asks questions, we will have them in a list and best suitable answers to those questions we will have them in a list. So whenever a user asks them some questions, the chatbot is going to pick the best match or best matched answer and it's going to throw the answer on the screen. Here what's happening on the screen two functions as going repeated many times. The responses and the messages we have kept in a function format where function will be giving the answers. For example,
Yeah, please continue.
see here here, like we have made use of if loop here. If user asks a question, hi or hello, it is the input by the user, then chatbot will reply hello. So we have defined here what should be the answer for a hi or a hello. And then next one is user asks how are you. For that, I am good. Thank you should be the answer by the chatbot. And next question is user going to ask, we are anticipating them. So what's your name or your name? In that case, chatbot will reply, I am a chatbot, you can call me chatbot like that. And user will ask a question, I need ice creams or suggest ice creams. Then chatbot will say, sure, I am happy to help you with the ice creams. But in this case, what's going to happen is, so whenever user gives the input as mentioned in the code here, then only the chatbot that condition will be satisfied and the chatbot will give the corresponding answer. So it's a limited case where it's going to user will be having trouble in giving the correct message as defined in the program here. So many of the times it can go away and may not give user may get frustrated. But this program is just to demonstrate a basic chatbot purpose. Let's see how it works. See on the screen, on the upper side, we can see a blue rectangle where we need to mention, user need to mention his input. Let's say type user will wish hi to chatbot. Enter. See here, I have user has mentioned hi, whereas chatbot has replied with hello. I need ice cream. So user is going to ask, I need ice creams. So here I need ice creams is mentioned in the program, but because the case is not matching, even it will look for a case also. I need ice creams, whereas it's not in the database of the chatbot, so chatbot is replying that none as a reply. Whereas I need ice creams, when it is mentioned in the lower case, chatbot got it correct, and it mentioned, sure, I'm happy to help you with the ice creams. So here what is happening, chatbot is not using its own brain, and so here what happens, we need to mention a long list of questions, what a user can ask and what all can be the answers. The list will be very exhaustive, and even so exhaustive also, there are chances there can be some inputs provided by inputs by the user which are beyond the list also. That's also possible because the way changes from user to user. So here a need arises. So what the need? User chatbot should learn on its own and anticipate the user inputs, and it should think on its own and provide the responses from the available resources with its database. So that's where we are importing chatbot module, and we are importing the chatbot class in the next program. So also we need to import the chatbot trainers and list the trainer library from trainers module. Here what happens, chatbot is an environment, because while we are importing these chatbot modules and chatbot trainer kind of things, we need to create a separate environment in Anaconda, because what's happening, current version of Python, they are compatible with Anaconda. They are running in 3.11 version, whereas this chatbot environment modules, they are not updated from long, and they were designed when chatbot when Python 3.6 was running. So these chatbots are compatible with 3.6 version. So we need to downgrade our Python to 3.6. So for that we need to create one more environment in Anaconda. So there we have created one more environment called chatbot. So for this program, that environment will be running. We have to activate that environment in terminal by pressing the code Honda activate chatbot, and so with that we will be activating the environment, and we will be importing chatbot and chatbot class, also chatbot trainers module and list trainer library will be using. Here what happens, chatbot and trainers list trainer, they will be having a long list of user anticipated inputs as well as custom defined outputs. Whereas these programs, what they will do, initially they will be when they are ready and published for customer use, and they will be giving the output which best not matches the customer expectations, because their brain will be blank and they will be learning on a day-to-day basis, and as and when the number of conversations increases, they will learn from their replies, and whatever they reply, the conversation they store in their memory, and they become experts in answering customer queries.
So can you explain with the presentation? That's better, I guess.
Yeah, I will do that, sir. I'm taking one more program for that. This is the program where we have through this chatbot environment, chatbot class is there, and we have imported chatbot trainers module along with chatbot corps trainer module, and import random module is there. So what this chatbot corps trainer will do is, in the sense, this library will be having a large text of responses which were already defined by programmers. So those libraries will be
So was there a problem? Is I can't hear anything.
connected. So this are we visible and audible? Ma'am?
Yeah, now it is visible and audible.
So line number 12, there is a comment, train the chatbot using the English corpus. So trainer.train chatterbot.corpus.english. So here we are, the trainer is using corpus.english. So corpus.english, this is text, large data set, text in the form of text available. From where trainer will be picking up the responses. Also here, English is one of the language. Also along with that, many basic Indian languages like Bengali is there, Hindi is there, Marathi is there. So we can build the same chatbot in all other languages. So they are quite comfortable with the Indian accent and vocabulary also. So just by replacing English with other languages, we can have those languages also. And line number 15, there is a function to generate a random greeting. The greetings are as of now to start with hello, hi, greetings, nice to meet you. Those are the random responses put in there. And let's understand how the flow moves here. Yeah. So line number 39 and 40. If double underscore name double equal to main, so this is where when the models are imported, we make use of this line number 39 and 40 codes. So what they will do, they will select the correct function name and it will go to main function in line number 26. So here chatbot will wish the user, hello, how can I assist you today? And it will accept the user input. So this user input will be passed on to the get response. Get response wherein user in line number 21, user input will be passed on and the response will be given to chatbot.get response user input, and the line number 23 will get the response as a string. So that will be thrown on to the console. And let's now take to the PPT.
Excuse me. Madam, sir wants to speak for 2 minutes.
No issues. Maybe they can just stop sharing the screen and he can speak and then we can continue with the presentation.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Great.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I'll just take 2 minutes because
Yeah,
this
no
is becoming
issues.
a bit difficult now.
Okay.
Franchisees and L2. I hope all the L2s are joining this session.
Yes, sir.
If any of the L2 is not joining today's session, let me tell you very clearly, don't send me the salary slip. I'm not going to release the salary. Nobody has given the clearance to you not to attend expert sessions. I am getting regular news that you people in your own levels are taking a decision of not attending expert sessions. And franchisee, that holds good to you also. all the franchisee owners and L2 are supposed to attend expert sessions. That's point number 1. Second point, it seems you people are not giving presentations. You people are not giving assignments to L1. Let me tell you, forget the question of giving you star of the month. In fact, whether I keep you in batch 3 or not, that is also a question mark. Because MD is very clear. MD is very, very clear. DO is very, very clear. If these people don't come in the systems, then you don't bring them into batch 3. There are some rules and regulation which is going to happen. We might work with only 6 franchisees, no problem. But we would like to work with franchisees who are disciplined. L2, we would like to keep L2 who are disciplined. So henceforth, I am going to monitor the attendance through Harinakshi madam. Harinakshi madam in every L1 session will give me the attendance of L1, L2, L1 and your L2. L1 attendance is not required. L1 is expert. L2 and my franchisee friends. If they are not attending sessions, and students, if you are not attending sessions, students, you are losing something very big. You are losing the race of star of the month. So I would request those students who are in the college also, they should attend. Shishti Infotech, are you there? Shishti Infotech, you will lose star of the month because your students are not attending. Otherwise, you are worth giving me a star. Because Madam, Sabyasachi, everybody is rating you very high. But I will not make you the star if the students are not attending. I have told you, even if they are in the college, they can attend from the college, they can take dean's permission, they can attend the sessions. Not attending session is not a recourse for all of you. I'm telling you very clearly, let me not talk like this again. It is all for your benefit. For these courses they are giving, experts have taken a lot of time. I suppose madam is traveling, but still she has brought time out to take sessions. So please don't test their patience. You are supposed to give presentations, you're supposed to attend sessions. With this, I close. Over to madam. Sorry, madam. Thank you, ma'am. You can continue, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So can we continue with the presentation?
So our screen is visible, ma'am?
Yeah, it is visible.
So basically, chatbots can be classified as the rule-based and self-learning chatbots. In rule-based approach, what happens? We train a chatbot to answer questions based on a set of predetermined rules on which it was initially trained. So this was happened in the first program. There we saw a rule-based approach-based chatbot, and the other one is self-learning chatbots, wherein chatbots will be learning on their own. So they will be making leverage of advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning to train themselves from the instances and behaviors, and as the conversations go, they become intelligent. So what are the techniques that we are making use of? They are chatbot modules, libraries, and logic adapters, list trainers. Those kind of things are the examples of AI and machine learning here. In self-learning chatbots, they can be further divided into two categories: retrieval-based or generative-based. A retrieval-based chatbot is one that functions on predefined input patterns and responses. Once the question pattern is entered, the chatbot uses a best match approach to deliver the appropriate response. In generative chatbots, they are not based on predefined responses, but they leverage sequence to sequence neural network. This is based on the concept of machine translation, where the source code is translated from one language to another. And ChatGPT can be an example for this generative chatbot kind of thing. Okay, we'll learn how to make a chatbot in Python step by step here. So, what are the basic steps? First one is to prepare the dependencies. As explained earlier, these chatbot modules, they were compatible with Python version of 3.6. So we were required to downgrade our environment. So we created one more new environment with Python 3.6 version, as they were compatible with only 3.6 Python version. And then after that, we need to import the classes. So chatbot and chatbot class was imported, And then next one is create and train the chatbot. This we do through list trainer class, and then communicating with the Python chatbot. And next step is train the Python chatbot with the corpus of data. That is using corpus module. So Chatterbot library, Chatterbot Python library is designed to deliver automated responses to user inputs. So it's having a vast libraries, like for every segment there are libraries here. So when you load the program with these kind of libraries, it can any answer or any query by a human being in any sphere of human intelligence. For example, it can tell jokes. If emotion library is included, it can understand the emotions of the person. So if humor is there, it can tell jokes. So if automobile library is included, it can answer queries regarding the automobiles. So these things of knowledge based libraries are included. It can answer questions from different spheres of life. And next one is excellent feature of chatbot is language independence. By including libraries in different languages, we can train the chatbot in multiple languages. So it makes these chatbots very applicable and relevant in Indian context, where from 30 to 32 major languages are spoken. Next. And next one is the first step is to create and environments where this is done through pip install upgrade Chatterbot corps. Through this, we are including Chatterbot module and libraries into the program, and also these libraries are available in GitHub. So directly we can install them into our program. Copy and pasting this line, pip install git line into our terminal and running it. So now the setup will be ready to using the chatbot. Now we have to import the classes to create the chatbot. Importing classes is the second step here in Python chatbot based process. So we need to import two classes. One is chatbot from chatterbot and the list trainer from chatterbot. So trainers will train the chatbot. So how we can do that? From chatterbot import chatbot, this is the code, and from chatterbot dot trainers import list trainer. So we are in, through these two lines we can create the chatbot as well as we can have a trainer which trains the chatbot. So chatbot is equipped with the trainer now. So we have created, and now let's see how to train the chatbot. There are lines like my dot equal to chatbot main 5 dot read only to logic adapters. For example, chatbot logic mathematics evaluation, chatbot logic test match is there. So through this mathematical evaluation, when we have included this logic adapter, so what happens? This logic adapter, it answers any query regarding in terms of mathematics. So when we ask the chatbot, so what is the sum of 2 plus 2? If we give the digits, then also it answers 4. When we ask it what TWO plus TWO, it will answer 4. So that way it will understand our query and answer that. The same way when we ask include logic dot humor, logic dot healthcare, so it will be answering the questions related to those fields. And also we can create and train the bot by writing instance of list trainer, supplying it with a list of strings like list trainer equal to list trainer my dot. We are creating the class list trainer. So here using the for loop, it will iterate through the list of all the items available in match top 1 and match top 2, and it will pick the best match in a random case. So train your Python chatbot with the forms of text available. So here already we have included from chatbot trainers, chatbot forms trainer. So it will be having the large text, so which can understand the questions put by the user and the available text, and it can do the best matchable reply to the user. Okay, so this is about the taking part of the chatbot creation. And next we will cover guys Shankar, Samarth, and Gaurav continue with how to create a chatbot in a practical way through the training class. I will hand over to Shankar.
Okay.
Gaurav will be there.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Gaurav, and we
Good
are going
morning.
to show the
Yeah, please continue.
we are going to show demo that how we should create an environment which is familiar to run a chatbot or a chatbot course. First, we will open an Anaconda environment. Where Anaconda is an open source library where we can install many packages, and we are going to create an environment. This is how we are creating an environment, and there is a Python version 3.7. Create. It is created an environment, and we took the 3.7.26 because our Python versions are new, so it will not take those commands, so we made a low version of environment. Next, in VS Code terminal, we will check that whether the environment is created or not, and the command is conda space env env spaces. Now we have created our environment as chatbot. Now we have to change this in by running a conda activity chat. This is the command that we will use to activate our present environment, which we have created as a chat. Conda activate. Where we can see the blue icon when it is activated. And now we are going to install all the chatbot packages. If install, these are the commands that we should type to install the chatbot package.
Gaurav, you can install other packages that we have installed.
Yes. Now first we will exit the file and run the code and there will be error. Now you have to install the spicy. SE is a natural language processing, sir. It needs in a chatbot packages, sir. So I also installed this specific package. Now we run the same program also. Now we add this. We are using this pip install command because to solve the error as a sequence. This command will take the care of OS errors, which will be faced. So we have installed this. Now completely we have installed the chatter portal where you can see also the patients there. And now we can run the program completely.
So I'm unable to hear.
Internet problems. It's connected. Yes. Are you audible and listening? Are you audible, ma'am, or listening?
Yeah, it is audible, not so clear, but it is, I can hear you. Continue, please.
Now we once again install the chatbot build. Ma'am, here during this time we have uninstalled the earlier chatbot version and we are installing a new one, compatible one. That's taking some time, ma'am.
Okay.
So guys can watch on the bottom of the screen in the last line there, we are typing our commands. So as we are typing now, Python -n spacing download. Through this, we are downloading the natural language processing open source library. So download n underscore So underscore web underscore sm is the command there. So it's given to the system. It's downloading. Downloading and instruction is successful. Stacy package is installed. So chatbot is activated now. List trainer is also installed. So now onwards, it will be able to build conversation like a human being. But as of now, the list trainer, this chatbot is empty, and you don't know how to give a response. So initial times, the response it gives may not look logical or may not do a solution. But as the number of conversation grows, it will start to answer like a human being. Very relevant answers it will do. So now in the chatbot, the user is asking questions. The user is known as me here. So he is asking the question. What is so now user is conversing with the chatbot. He is putting the hi. Hi. So chatbot replies, hi, can I help you like this? So next question is. In that query, he wants to book a flight. Let's see how the chatbot answers. I would like to book a flight. That way, the chatbot is giving me the answer. Next question, let's see. Next program will be handled by someone.
Okay.
I will give an example in this question. He is creating a first a new file to write a code. We will import the chatbot from chatbot. In this program, we are going to solve the mathematical evolution and present time by logic adapter.
So there is no audio here. Can't hear anything.
No,
Yeah, now it's okay.
he's creating a logical adapter, where mathematical evolution
Okay.
and present time we can generate.
Okay.
We are using a two logic adapter, one logic adapter. They are going to give you two different logics. One is a mathematical evolution. In mathematical evolution, we can solve any mathematical problems like using operators plus minus division. And the next one, chapter code logic, is a time logic adapter, where it shows and responds the present time. And the query equal to input, where we are going, the user is going to type the time or the problem to solve it. These are the two response what we are doing here. This was the last query and response about the board, which is the logic adapter of time. Now we will run the program. By using the same commands as from the activation. Now we will use the file name. Before that, we will use the command as playground 1.py. And in both chatbot and chatbot both are. What is the is being determined? ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಕೋಟ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒನ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Evaluation ಈ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ತೆಗಿರಿ, ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ತೆಗಿರಿ. ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ತೆಗೆದು ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ಅದನ್ನ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. Mathematical evaluation. Sir, is it mathematical evaluation or evaluation? Evaluation. Sir, can you see the spelling on the screen, sir? Mathematically, M has made into capital. Sir, very cannot. Be correct. A capital.
Ma'am, sorry for the disturbance, ma'am, but still, it is saying to install some of the packages, ma'am.
Okay, no issues.
That's it. Yes, yeah, I think. Injection chopping. Successfully. Program.
Ma'am, it finally running the code, ma'am, because of one package it was not running, ma'am.
Okay.
This is the mathematical inclusion, ma'am. Logic adapter we use as a mathematical and a time, ma'am. First we give mathematical inclusion, ma'am. As 4 plus 5, ma'am, you can see that answer. In the same word we can use for time also.
Next to time.
This is the mathematical inclusion that how we can see.
Time.
Now we are asking time. This is the how it shows the current time. Thank you.
With this we end our presentation on chatbot, na? Excuse me. Hello? Are you audible, ma'am?
Yeah, you are audible.
So with this we end our presentation, ma'am. So we have demonstrated by including
Okay.
and type. So how it's going to respond.
Okay.
So those
No.
are the examples. So with this we end. Thank you.
Okay. Good one. So there are other teams are also who are there. So Kavita Computers EC2 I won't take now. Shrishti Infotech, I think their chatbot is also ready. They can do it.
Hello, ma'am. I'm audible.
Yeah, you are audible.
So good morning, ma'am. My name is Aditya from Sustain Protect. So today we are going to present about creating a chatbot using Amazon Lex. So we merged two teams, Group 3 and Group 5. So for creating Amazon Lex, so we have to come to Amazon main page, Amazon web main page. Here we have to change the our server type because in what we use regularly, there we can't do the chatbot. So we have to change the server type. So I choose the Tokyo. And next, so here, so we have to select a template or a simple bot. I created a select bots. Due to the network issues, so lagging. Now I already created a bot, but I will show how to create a bot.
Okay. Now
So
you
here
can
the
just you can just run the bot and show me how to
okay.
create a bot because other teams are also there. We won't get time. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Ma'am. So, ma'am, here I don't store any data because
Okay.
we have mainly not used this Amazon Alexa. So I'm not did that all the slots out there. So after clicking the bot name, here we have to select intent. So this is my intent. So I created this. So here I test. So if I type hi, it will tell that I am your bot. What can I do for you? So mainly we created this bot for searching the college in our like area. So, so the question. So if I ask this question, it will give two answers. Madagascar Arts and Science College and BBA Special College Singapore. So next is facilities. So while giving the input, it is not taking any case sensitive. If you give an caps or a small letter, it takes only small one thing. So it will give the answer. That's it. Ma'am. And
Okay.
and other will be explained by my team. Next about is
Okay. Okay.
Hello, am I audible
Yeah, you're audible.
now? Yeah, adjust. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm listening from System Group Nava, and we are watching the book 2 and book 3. My name is Ashwin. We are presenting chapter question, customer facing advice with Mr. Warren, please. So our chatbot, we have done our chatbot using this HTML and CSS. So let's see how it works. This is how it works. If I press again, hello, you to say that how can I assist you? So next is we have done our chatbot using one concept like we have taken this 16 product as our one of the concept and ported the center covers our courses. So this is the was. This it depends on our course what we opt to. So I'll share my so we have written this code this by our own, and we have not taken this stock code that we have what we have provided. We have written this code, and this is the div class you can see here. So this is the div class here, and we are this is what we have created here. Here using h1 tag, this should display over here. This we have written here. And next is this is the HTML code. What we have written in this input box. Just a minute. Just a minute. So we have written what this is the input box. So we have taken this input type as a user box as a ID here. So even it is whatever you type in this keyboard, every key has their own key code. So while pressing this enter key, this would answer like this here. It depends on the course you opt. While pressing on the enter key, this will response as the answer to the question. So next is that it will call the function talk function here. I'll show that how it works. So this is the code we have written. So these are the questions here. You can see here. These are the questions. And if I after pressing the enter key, this will call this function. So in this known dictionary, I have entered this hello, right? So while pressing on hello, this would answer. This will answer as a how can I assist you or how can I help you. So these are the courses available in 16 for that. So basic computer course and I can't share this. Yeah, this. So these are the questions here. So I can see. And next is this. I have typed wrong question because see here, duration of AI with Python. It would take a duration of 3 to 5 months. This will say that sorry I didn't understand because I have missed with some letters here. So let's say how whatever the question whatever the question we have not typed it here. Like let's see here, I have not written 5 here. So say sorry I did not answer because it will go to else part. Sorry, I did not go to the else part. I'll say how it works. So while calling the talk function, the codes I had written in HTML code, it would take. I had taken this as a documented element by ID by using this transfer to have to write this code. This is function. This would be assigned to this user variable. Or declare this variable. Next, we have to print that what we have written that written in this input box. User box is nothing but this input box. This is the ID of the input box. So next, we have to print this chat log. Chat log is nothing but where we have to enter this. Sorry, I did not answer. Which will print the answer will be printed here in this time. So next is whatever I written. Let's see. I press hello in cap. It will also reflect. If I write uppercase, it will also take this as a lowercase. It will convert this. This time we have used it to convert uppercase to lowercase. And this we have taken the text. Whatever we have written, text. It could be. It could check that. It would check that. To check that what that text is available in this dictionary or not. Known is a dictionary. We have added this question in that. The next is like responses. Responses is known of text. Known of text is good response. What response must be given to the user. It would be have taken another variable and to store in that responses. Next is random index. I have taken this random index. I have added this hello. For just example, hello, I have given 2 answers for that. So this is the this one is the 0 index, and this one is the first index. So when it would take randomly, math function is called. So I have imported the math function and math random. Random is used for it would take as a random. So zero this as zero index. That's zero into one. That zero into one no? Into zero, right? So put answer like this. This would be painted. So next is uh,
Yeah, is it done?
No, ma'am. Due to the network issue, she is break. She will join again.
Yeah. Okay.
just a moment, I'm gonna check. The rest of this see, responses here, and this would take this random index response of random index. Random index responses is that hello. I typed hello, right? So this would store in response now. We have to print that answer. We have to print that answer. So we have taken this chat log. Chat log is nothing but I said this is the ID of this answer appearing here, and this will be printed. Dot inner this time is that you have to print it. There are different types, and like you can also use console. This at least like actually it is one of the older type. Next one is else, but I said before that if the text whatever we type in this input box is not print, it is not I have not what like, what which are not caution that if it does not understand, it would go to the else part. That is sorry, I did not understand. Simple.
Okay. I think we should check the net because other teams are also waiting. So we have to hurry up.
The process available on Sandbox. Thank you.
Good. Any other team? I think some Kavita computers where, Pooja Patil, you can present next.
Ma'am, this is Rupashri from Vaishali Computers. I'm ready to present. Can I share my screen?
Vaishali computer already has done, no? Bhavani has
Only
done.
one first.
Okay,
Only
so
one.
you have done Amazon Lex. You're going to show now Python, right? So I
No,
don't
ma'am.
want you to tell me the entire coding and all everything. You just tell me what is the bot made for and show me the code and then try to run it just like that. That much. Okay.
Ma'am, I created bot using Amazon Lex only.
Amazon Lex is already shown by your team, no?
Yes, from my
Ah.
synthesis.
So see, from your team, Bhavani has shown Vaishali Computers, right? Which is your,
Yes, ma'am.
you're also from Vaishali.
Yes, ma'am.
So from one particular, what we can do is we can take it in the next session. So because Vaishali is already done with Amazon Lex, if you want to show me with a Python or HTML, then you can go ahead. Otherwise, we'll move to the other teams. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So Shrishti Computer is also shown. Vaishali Computer. Okay. Kavita Computers. But see, I'm not interested in EC2 now because that particular assignment was over last time. So if you are showing a chatbot, you show. Otherwise, I will go back to Vaishali and let them again show. EC2, load balancer, all those assignments where I gave a deadline till last week. Okay, you can go ahead and show it fast, but don't show me the process. Just show me the outline and show me like that. Okay. Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Shambhavi. So we can, I'll just show the instance creation of EC2 instance. So here we can click on the launch instance. Then click the name of the instance and the OS is selected as default. We can take the other OS also. Keypad, I've already done one keypad. So that I'm taking. For security groups, I'm taking allow all. Then we get the summary, we can launch the instance. So test 5 EC2 has been created. Next, we can go to the load balancer for this test 5 EC2. So creating the load balancer, we can click on the load balancer. Here we are creating the application load balancer. So taking the name as LB and network mapping. Here I'm selecting all the network, all the locations of Asia Pacific, because so that if any user is coming to our website, then they should not find it faulty. So I'm selecting all the locations. Next, in security group, I have already created one security group as second SG. I'm selecting it. Then in listeners, I'm adding my target group. Here I have created one target group already. So I'm taking that. And the summary is showing all the details and users. Then The load balancer is created successfully. Thank you, ma'am.
Good. The other team? So if there is no other team, then maybe the Vaishali computers can go ahead and show the other people, those who have created the chatbot can go ahead.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see that.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Rupashri from Vaishali Computers, Ballari. So I'm going to show how to create chatbot using AWS. So first we need to go to AWS console login, and then here we need to click on log back in. I already did login. I already created the account. If you want to create a new account, we need to click on create a new AWS account. So I already created, so I'll just log. After getting sign in, we need to go to services, and in services, we need to select machine learning. And in machine learning, we need to select Amazon Lex because we are creating the chatbot using Amazon Lex. So here, it will show the bots which we have created. So I'll just show first what I have created. I will show how this chatbot works. I created medical chatbot.
Okay.
First, I'll send the message, hi. And it will ask for the name. So it is asking what type of medicine I want to order. So I'll just. It is asking how many tablets. Can I go ahead with your request? So I'll just click yes. So this is how this chatbot works. Now I'll show how to create a chatbot. Here, we need to click on create bot to create a new chatbot. And here we need to select the create a blank bot. And here we need to give the bot name. I'll give Red Rail as my bot name. And this bot helps in booking train tickets as my description. And here we need to select the permission as create a role with basic Amazon Lex permissions. And here is use of your bot subject to the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. I'll select no and I'll click on next. It will now ask for the language. We can select the language which we want. I'm okay with English, so I'll select it. And here we can also have the voice interaction. But as of now, I'll select that this is a text-based application and click on done. Now you can see successfully created bot Red Rail. Now here we need to add the intent name. I'll give the name as I gave before, Red Rail, and the description also same. And here we need to add the utterances. Utterances are nothing but how to start the conversation. Normally with hi and hello, the customers will start the conversation. And we can add the slots here. Slots are nothing but what type of questions this bot should ask. Normally we will have some default slot types here. First I'll select, please provide your name. And we can add the default slots here, but if we want to create a new slot, first we need to save this intent and go back to the intents list. And here you can see slot types, right? We should click on it and we need to add the new slot type and add the blank slot type. Here we can add the new slot type which we want. Here I will add the type. And here what types are available in the train. Normally in train we will have a general, AC and sleeper. Now we need to save the slot type. We can create so many slots. We can create how many we want. We should just add the slot types which we want. After saving this slot, we need to go back to the intents and click on the intent which we created before. Now I'll add the slots which I created. See, you can see here, here we can see the slot type which I created. If we give the name in flower brackets, it will provide name of the customer which they'll tell before. Which type of ticket? And I'll give the options in brackets. I'll just add this slot. And here I'll add the date. I'll just create one more slot, like from where to where the customer want to travel. Here we can give some places. And then I'll save this slot. And then I'll also add the number as how many tickets they want to pick. After adding the slots, we need to add the confirmation here. First, we need to active this confirmation, and we need to ask for the can I go ahead with your request to the customer. And here, if they want to cancel the ticket, we should send the decline message. Okay, your tickets got canceled. And then in closing response, we have to thank the customer for contacting us. So I'll just thank you and I'll add the name. And after, we need to save the intent. After it got saved, we need to build this intent. It will take some time to build. So here we can see successfully built. So now we are ready to test this bot. Let's test. It is asking for the name. What type of ticket do you want? So I'll choose sleeper. To when I want 5th of June. And it is asking from where to where I want to book the ticket. So I'll select Ballari to Bangalore. It is asking how many tickets I want to book. I'll just choose only one ticket. It is asking, can I go ahead with your request? I'll select yes. So thank you, Jessica. So this is how this chatbot works. And also, ma'am, we created the steps how to create the chatbot using Amazon Lex. So this is my presentation. Thank you, everyone, and thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. I think because the phone battery is also going down, so we'll take up the presentation next session. All the other presentations. Well done, guys. You people have done really well. Okay, and if in the next session, if somebody can publish and show me that, then that will be great, because till now we have seen all the process, which is also very good. But if the presentation ends with publication and we really see how in the real world it get integrated into website, or it is in the app or something like that, it will be best learning from there. Okay, all the best to you. So I will be meeting you maybe after 1 week, because I have come out of station. So it's not possible for me to conduct the classes from there. Anyway, nice work done. Sorry, Nakshi ma'am, I'm logging out now.
Thank you, madam. Thank
Okay.
you. Bye.